Hi, I am Syed. In the previous video we have seen mixed type of problems. We'll try to continue those problems in this video. Let us move on to the next question.
Solve y double dash plus 4y dash minus 12 times of y is equals to e power of 2x minus 3 times of sine of 2x. So let us write down the form of the operator. It is d square plus 4 times of d minus 12 times of y is equals to e power of 2x minus 3 sine of 2x. So the auxiliary equation in this case will be m square plus 4m minus 12 is equals to 0. So let us use the calcio here. Choose the equations. Go for the second order equation. There is option 3. Coefficient of m square is 1. Then coefficient of m is 4. Then the constant term is minus of 12. So you can see that the roots are 2 and minus 6. M will be equals to 2 comma minus of 6. Therefore the complementary function will be c1 e power of 2 times of x plus c2 e power of minus 6 times of x. Now the particular integral will be 1 by the operator d square plus 4d minus 12 times of e power of 2x minus 3 sine 2x. Now multiply this operator with e power of 2x as well as with 3 sine 2x. So we have 1 by d square plus 4d minus 12 multiplied by e power of 2x minus, you can take this 3 outside and write down the operator 1 by d square plus 4d minus of 12 is multiplied by sine of 2x. So the first term I can take it as p1, the second term I'll take it as p2. So I need to find out the particular integral which is p1 and p2. Let us take this as equation number 1. So p1 value in this case is 1 by d square plus 4d minus 12 times of e power of 2x. So this particular integral is of type 1, 1 by f of d into e power of ax. What has to be done? You have to replace the value of d by a. So you will be getting 1 by f of a into e power of ax. Right? So now if I try to replace here, replace the value of d by a. So a value over here will be 2. But if you try to replace this 2 in the denominator will become 0. I have showed in my one of my video where I have discussed about this finding out the particular integral of e power of ax when the value will become 0 and what has to be done. So I'll just try to adopt that procedure. If you want to see the details, you can just watch my video on particular integral of exponential function. So now if I replace the value of d by a, which is 2 over here, this value will become 0 because 2 is the root of the auxiliary equation. If this value d is equals to a is the root of the auxiliary equation, then this denominator will become 0. So since it becomes 0, I have to differentiate this one, because if this becomes 0, you have to write it as multiply by x and 1 by, you have to write f dash and replace the value of d by a into e power of ax. So this is the procedure when the denominator becomes 0. So here when I put 2, the denominator will become 0. Therefore, I will try to multiply by x, differentiate the denominator. D square differentiation will be 2d, 4d differentiation will be 4. The constant term derivative will be 0 into this e power of 2x. So now you can replace once again the value of d by a. So replace the value of d by a. So a value in this case is the coefficient of x, that is 2. So which will be equals to x into 1 by 2 times of d value over here is 2 plus 4 times of e power of 2x. So this will be equals to x into 1 by. So this 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 will become 8 into e power of 2x. So I've got the first value. The value of p1 will be x e power of 2x divided by 8. Now let us try to obtain the value of p2. So you have the value of p2 to be equals to minus 3 times of 1 by d square plus 4d minus 12 times of sine of 2x. So this is the value of p2 you have. So now if you try to simplify this one, now this is in the form of 1 by f of d square times of sine ax. So here you have to replace the value of d square by minus a square. So you will be getting the value to be equals to 1 by f of minus a square into sine of ax. So here I will try to replace the value of d square by minus of a square. So in this case a value, which is the coefficient of x, is 2. So minus of 2 square. So minus of 2 square will be minus of 4. So replace the value as minus of 4. So we get p2 to be equals to minus 3 times of 1 by, it will be minus of 4 plus 4d minus of 12 times of sine of 2x. This will be equals to minus 3 times of, it is 1 by 4d as it is, minus 12 minus 4 will be minus of 16 into sine of 2x. So in the denominator we can see that 4 is common, so I will take 4 common outside. I will get d minus of 4 times of sine 2x. So you can rationalize the denominator. So rationalize the denominator. So if you try to rationalize the denominator, we get minus 3 by 4. You have 1 by d minus of 4. The rationalizing factor will be d plus 4 by d plus 4 times of sine 2x. So this will be equals to minus 3 by 4. This is d plus 4 divided by. So it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which will be a square minus b square, that is d square minus of 16 into sine of 2x. So now we can replace the value of d square by minus a square. So here the value of a is 2, so minus of 2 square will become minus of 4. So replace the d square by minus of 4 here. You get minus 3 by 4 into d plus 4 divided by. So d square is minus of 4 minus of 16 sine of 2x. So which will be equals to minus 3 by 4. Now you can multiply this d plus 4 with sine. So we'll be getting d plus 4 times of sine of 2x divided by. In the denominator you get minus of 20. So you can just multiply this value. It is minus of minus will become plus. So it is 3 divided by 80. Now multiply this d with sine. So you will be getting d times of sine of 2x plus it is 4 times of sine of 2x. So let us simplify this one. 3 by 80 as it is. So differentiation of sine 2x will be 2 times of cos 2x plus it is 4 times of sine of 2x. So this will be equals to, I can see that 2 can be taken common outside from here. So 3 by 80, 2 is taken common outside. So you have cos of 2x plus it is 2 times of sine of 2x. However, you can cancel this 80. So 2 times of 40 is 80. So you get it's 3 by 40 times of cos of 2x plus 2 times of sine of 2x. So we got the value of P2. So now substitute the values of P1 and P2 back in equation number 1. So particular integral will be equals to. So it is P1 plus P2. So the value of P1 that we have got is x e power of 2x divided by 8. This is P1 value. Plus this is a P2 value, that is 3 by 40 times of cos 2x plus 2 times of sine of 2x. Now the solution will be y is equals to CF plus PI. So therefore y will be equals to, we have the complementary function to be C1 e power of 2x plus C2 e power of minus of 6x plus the particular integral is this expression x e power of 2x divided by 8 plus 3 by 40 times of cos of 2x plus 2 times of sine of 2x. That will be the required solution.